Where's the gun at?
In the glove box.
Keep it in there. You have any weapons on you?
Yes.
No, that's not even good either. How long you been, where you work at? Youngstown PD?
Yes.
You know how many times stand over there, you stop cops, they drink, they break the law, and then they carry their gun on them. I'd like to cut you some breaks, but unfortunately with these body cameras and everything, I'm just going to do what's...
Sure.
What any other... All right, you want to do field sobriety tests?
No.
September 19th, 2022, a state trooper stopped Detective Sergeant Nicholas Bailey of the Youngstown Police Department.
How you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
What's going on?
Not much, man.
Riding out here like you can ride on the road?
Going on a trail up here.
Hey, come all the way down South 11, or North 11.
I'm not sure what it is.
Huh?
I'm not sure where North 11 is.
It's the road you just turned off of. You came out of the driveway up by Skyway.
Yeah, I turned around. I went the wrong way.
Yeah, you can't ride this on the road.
I thought I could ride under
No.
35 mile per hour zone.
No. Your buddies riding up there riding wheelies, they can't do that either.
Yeah, I just went to you guys.
Got your ID on you?
Yeah, I do. Okay.
Who's the owner of this? Just because you have a license plate, you're not allowed to ride it on the road.
Sorry.
Is it registered to you?
It is.
How'd you get over here if you live in Boardman? Or
I
Boardman
don't live
Street,
there.
Youngstown?
That's the police department.
What's that?
That's Youngstown Police Department.
This is?
The address, yeah.
Well, what are you riding over here for? How'd you get over here?
Well, I don't live there. I work there.
Okay.
I live up some trails here.
Well, how are you going to get this thing off the road?
I think it trails back.
What trails? Get from here to there.
Yeah, 35 mile per hour roads. I thought this was one utility vehicle.
You a police officer?
I am.
Then you should know that you're not allowed to do that.
Well, you know, in the ORC, 35 mile per hour road.
And you also been drinking. You can't do that either. Yes? Am I right or am I right?
I don't know anything to say about that.
Yeah, I can smell the alcohol on you. Okay, shut it off for me.
Driving a four-wheel all-terrain vehicle on a state roadside is illegal. So is driving under the influence. And to make matters worse, driving while in the possession of a firearm is a big no-no.
You have any weapons on you?
Yes.
No, that's not even good either. I don't get that, man.
Oh,
Don't get, step out of it. Where's the gun at?
Glove box.
Keep it in there.
Can I step out?
Well, wait till your knucklehead buddies come. And see, this is the behavior we get. So you know what? Zero breaks because of this.
All right.
Step out of the car.
Put this down.
Whatever you want to do. Take knife off, leave it in there. You have any weapons on you?
I have a gun in the glove box.
I'm going to check to make sure you don't have anything else on you.
Yes, sir.
Put your cigarette down. Here, just put your hands up there real quick. All right. Where's the weapon at?
Glove box. You probably come from this side.
How long you been? Where you work at? Youngstown PD?
Yes.
What's the deal? You know how many times stand over there, you stop cops, they drink, they break the law, and then they carry their gun on them. That makes no sense to me.
Well,
Zero.
I'm just going on some trails, man.
I get that, but still, you can carry a gun. That's fine. I actually encourage that. But why you got to go out and drink and carry a gun? If you're going to say, hey, I'm going to ride, I'm going to drink, I'm not carrying a gun. Where's the glove box at? Underneath?
Yeah.
That the only weapon you got in here?
That knife. I mean, yeah, that's it.
This ain't a duty weapon, is it?
No.
6-1.
Raise the railroad tracks there.
Did you get them stopped?
No, they took off on me. They're going back towards North River there.
Alright. Warren, did you copy? I was 3 with this side by side.
Right.
What's the plate come back to?
He was eventually cited with a DUI as well as having a gun with him at the time.
Oh, your buddies ran from us. I suppose you don't even know them, huh?
I met him down there on by the market. There's supposed to be some trails down here. So.
Well, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that, but you can't be on the road, even though you got a license plate. You're a police officer. You should know that. You should know the rules. And can't be drinking. And you can't have your gun with you when you're drinking.
No.
You understand that?
I understand.
To be honest with you, Nicholas, I'm going to do my job. Okay?
I can appreciate that.
All right. I'd like to cut you some breaks, but unfortunately, with these body cameras and everything, I'm just going to do what's
Sure.
what any other.
All
right. You want to do field sobriety tests?
No.
All right. Now you know what's going to happen if you don't want to do field sobriety test, right?
I do.
All right. Stand up here, put your hands behind your back.
Detective Bailey said he was riding nearby trails with a couple of other people and admitted he'd been drinking. His friends appear to have fled the scene, but we have one question for the arresting officer. What would you have done differently if there were no body cams? Asking for a friend.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.